been feeling a way that I never felt before. About 7 times a week it seems, or maybe more. Well, life's not all that it's cracked up to be, but what it is sweet in its actuality. Do you have to be happy with your destiny, or just be okay with things sometimes being kinda crappy? We look at life like a twinkling vision of ecstasy, but what we have is an everyday damaged beauty. I got the dog poop blues, how could I ever have stooped from the top row of the crow's nest to the chicken coop? Life's like a punch in the face when you're looking for a holy grail of grace, but you only find disgust and disgrace. Well, stuff starts to go off the rails. You tend to feel so tired and frail. You order up an orange juice and then you find that your organs finally fail. We capture the majesty of Willie Nelson's nasal cavities when they whine about love and freedom and peace. You know, I've always wanted to go where hate and negativity never grow, where the proverbial milk and honey flowed. But life's not that easy, you see. It's a continual challenge of alchemy, like trying to make a gourmet vegan feast for people with a really bad cashew allergy. You accompanied me through my old insecurities. I'm sorry that I had to make so much misery. Life is a strange game we play with rules unknown. Seems you have to make mistakes every day just to grow. Well, I'm sorry that I caused you so much pain, but there was a lot of trauma and PTSD living in my brain. So let's heal each other as best as we can, and walk through this world with our hearts in our hands.